Beermaster, today we have a 22 Jeep Compass and we got the front collision warning on. I'm going to show you how to turn that off. This is because of a software update. So we want to get to our screen here. We want to hit that car vehicle icon and we're going to go safety driving assistance and then automatic emergency braking. All right, the automatic emergency braking. And then we want to go to forward collision warning. And we want to turn it on. It says off. We want to turn it on, activate, and then we will exit. So we exit it, and you can still see that the light is still on. And if you look at the screen, there is a new menu. And we want to now go to pedestrian emergency braking. It says off. You want to turn that on. And as soon as you hit that, bang, it's gone. All right, and that's it. We exit out of this, and problem is solved. The light is out. It's all about software updates. Somehow the system updates through this radio, and it doesn't always work, and that light will come on. So it is corrected. We're good to go. And